Get a fully wrapped, professionally upfitted van ready to represent your franchise. Built for Dryer Vent Wizard franchise owners who need a professional vehicle ready for daily service work. Each van can include full vehicle branding and a clean commercial wrap, designed to help your business look professional on every service call. Castle Chevrolet North partnered with DPS Automotive to upfit your van. Inside, your van can be equipped with shelving, storage, and organized workspace. Built to keep your tools and equipment ready to go. Get the van, wrap, and interior upfit you need, all for under $55,000. With delivery available anywhere in the United States. Castle Chevrolet North helps businesses get reliable, work-ready vans that get the job done. Contact Bill Martino at Castle Chevrolet North to get started.